this, how can you grow your subscribers very quickly? All right, so the first thing I'm going to talk about here is this right here. So if you go into a YouTube group here, so on Facebook you can join a bunch of groups, and so what I'm going to say is you can go and this, so for instance, YouTube channel and video promotion. So basically what you do is you just like request to join this group, right? And there's a whole bunch of Facebook groups just like this. And so basically you just look around through Facebook, find some groups where they basically just allow you to, you know, promote your video. And so then what you want to do is just once you're done, you get in here and you can promote any video that you have. You can promote any channel that you have. So I could go in here and I could put like a photo or something or a link or whatever and say, hey, you know, my channel By 9 to 5 will teach you how to make over $100,000 on YouTube or whatever. And so then, you know, that can grow your channel very quickly, especially if you have, once again, you can clickbait this just like you do on YouTube. So if you have a really, really eye-catching picture, and you upload that, and then you type in there, you know, something that you would think that people would be interested in clicking on and looking at, you could actually really grow a lot of subscribers and a lot of viewers just by doing that, because people are going to be scrolling through here looking for something interesting, and like if you have a really big picture like this that's really, really eye-catching, says, oh, $100,000 or whatever, it's just like on YouTube, people will, you know, they'll see that and it'll stick out, just like you try to rank your videos on YouTube and do thumbnails that click out. If you can do, you know, pictures on here that stick out, people are going to, you know, gravitate towards that, click on it, and, you know, check out your channel and might end up subscribing based off of that. So then, you know, YouTube channel and video promotion is a good group to use. And then if you go down here to suggested groups, there's a whole bunch more. And so like look at this one, 196,000 there, 40,000 here, you know, so all of these groups, and then you can just go in there and you can just keep searching for more, like, you know, everything you search will just give you more. And so you can just keep doing that and try to join every single one of these groups, and then just upload a picture, upload, you know, if there's a specific video you want people to watch. And again, just clickbait it the same way. Put a good description on there that you think will make people want to click, a good title that you think will make people want to click, a good picture that really sticks out from the crowd. And those type of things can really grow your channel. So you can go in and join every single one of these, and then just advertise a video or advertise your channel. And, you know, a lot of people have a lot of success growing their channel just by doing that right there. And so here's another one that's really good. It's Small YouTubers Boost. And then, again, you can join here and then do the same thing. And then, you know, again, you can look at some of the suggestions. And then another thing that you can do here is, let me pull it up here real quick. So Reddit. Okay, so this one is a little more difficult. It's the same sort of idea, except Reddit has a lot of rules, and so a lot of times they'll be like, oh, we blocked your post because of this or that or whatever. But you can try to do is try to go through and go to like the YouTube and then go to like the videos subreddit, and you're allowed to post like a video in here. And again, if you can, you know, do a good title and picture, again, you might be able to get it to go viral on Reddit or on Facebook, like I said. And that can really blow up your channel besides just using YouTube. Then you could go down here again to related subreddits, and you know, you can click through every one of these and see if you can get any of your videos viral on any of these other subreddits here. But you can just type in here like YouTube, and then basically, where is the search Reddit? So you can just search for like other subreddits and stuff within here as well. I don't use Reddit too much. I know it's something that a lot of people like to use, but so you can just click like related subreddits and go into these, see what the subreddits are all about, see if it's something you'd want to do. There are a lot of rules to subreddits and stuff like that, and like as far as like blocking your like posts and stuff, so you have to read all the rules before you post on each different one, but that's why I don't really know how to use that one too well. I have done the Facebook group thing a lot, and that really does help. So that's definitely a couple things that you want to look into. I know yesterday or a couple days ago I touched on the AdWords thing, where you can spend a couple bucks and get your video up the rankings for YouTube. But if you want to try to do free advertising and do it off of the YouTube platform, you can try those Facebook groups, and you can try the Reddit groups. You could also try like Pinterest and stuff like that. I haven't even like touched that at all, but so there's a lot of different opportunities where you can go in and kind of advertise, use the same sort of tactics as far as titles and thumbnails and things like that, where you can really ramp up the amount of people that are watching, going to be interested in, clicking on your videos and watching it all. So definitely a good idea there that I think you should keep in mind. And then, within my course, we have the same sort of things to that Facebook group I showed you guys. We have our own Facebook group. There's over 700 students in that YouTube course, and so they all join this special Facebook group that I've set up, where basically all the students go in and they subscribe to each other and they like each other's videos and they watch through all of their videos, which increases their watch time on their videos and gets them moving up the rankings. So that's something that I have set up for my students inside the course as well. But outside of that course, like I said, there's all those other Facebook groups that you can try to get some free advertising on as well. So hopefully that helps you guys out. I know it's really important to get that 1,000 mark so you can get into the monetization review process quickly. I know a lot of people have literally been able to get to within a week or two 1,000 subscribers, whether that is through what I teach in the course, just using organic views on YouTube, or whether it's going out to Reddit and Pinterest and Facebook groups and things like that, doing free advertisement. It's just like any business. The more advertising you do, the more it grows. Same thing with YouTube. The more advertising you do, the more it grows. Another thing that I have done for this By 9 to 5 channel anyway, is go to other videos that are ranking for a topic that I want to rank for, and then what I'll do is I'll go into the comments, and I'll usually comment on the top comment or the second from the top comment, whichever one doesn't have very many replies on it, and I will write something in there about, hey, check out but I'll say it in a way that's like, I'll respond to whatever they said. I'll be like, hey, well, this is what, this is the answer to your question you had, and I actually cover this and much more on my channel if you're interested, but blah, blah, blah. And so then I actually have a lot of people actually come from that video to my channel and check out my channel because of that. So that's another source of free advertising that I use for this By 9 to 5 channel, at least, to help grow it. And I saw major growth on that one video, the Make Money on YouTube video that I have. It has like 55,000 views on it. I saw major growth on that after I went to a couple other videos and advertised myself on those comments. So that's another thing you can try to do. A lot of ways you can grow your channel outside of just organic, views. So hopefully this helped you guys out. And, if you have any questions, make sure to ask it in the comments and let me know if you guys learned anything new that you guys hadn't already known. And then one more quick update. I will be adding in the next couple of days some more lectures to the YouTube course that I already have, including ways to find different videos, which ones you should be using, which ones you shouldn't be using. Also, how to remove watermarks and how to edit videos. So a lot of people have asked me, how do you edit a video? How do you change a thumbnail on a video? How do you make a good thumbnail for a video? And then how do you remove watermarks for videos? And so I'm going to try to touch on every single one of those things and update the course with those lectures, as well as which videos should you use, which videos shouldn't you use. That's another one I think I'm going to cover more in the course than I already have, based on some questions that I've gotten. So going to be updating the course there as well over the next couple of days, so be on the lookout for that. Let me know anything else that you'd like to see, and that's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.